Hey guys, welcome back to the greenhouse. So we've done a couple things. One, I put this loop behind us, but I don't really have any data on that yet. I just got the water circulating through it, mainly because I had to get the air out of the loop. I hooked this up about a week ago, but the little pump that I got that fits right into the 55-gallon drum just wasn't enough to push all that air out. So once I hooked up a hose to it, pushed all the air out and got the water in the hose, now it can circulate that water through. I gotta figure out two things on that. One, how much is this going to warm up that 55-gallon drum? And two, what's it cost me to pump that water through there throughout the day? So I got it running right now. I'm getting that data on how much does it cost me. And by the next update, I'll let you know how much is warming up that 55-gallon drum compared to the 55-gallon drum that's just sitting there. All right, so what did we do this month? What did we find out? Initially, I hooked up that oil heater, and it was set to come on when it got to like 60 degrees. I couldn't get it any lower than that. That's just the low setting on the oil heater itself. So I had to rig this up. I go from the power, and then I go through my little meter that tells me how many kilowatts I'm using. Then it goes to this outlet that's controlled by temperature. I can set that one all the way down to 40 degrees, which is perfect. That's where I want it to be. So now that heater only comes on when it gets down to less than 40 degrees, instead of keeping it 60 degrees in here, which was getting kind of ridiculous and a little expensive. So in the last 13 days of November, what did it cost me? Well, it was about 1 kilowatt a day. So in 13 days, it was 13 kilowatts. And each kilowatt, if you calculate it out, only cost me this much, which I want to calculate later. That's why I'm not saying it out loud. All right, well, that cost is very low. If that's what it costs me every month or every 15 days throughout the year, totally do it. I wouldn't even be hooking this thing up. It probably only got down to maybe like 22, maybe 20 at the coldest. That's not what's going to happen throughout the rest of the year. Till the end of November, I feel good about this greenhouse. Cheap to run, cheap to maintain, pretty well insulated. I mean, we're growing pepper plants and flowers with no problem. So I'm going to keep this going. We'll see how much it costs in the future. I'll see you in the next update. All right, guys. Well, thanks for coming. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, share my videos. All right, till next time.